Good day, this is Dr. Oladapo, your lecturer for CMP 309, Database Design and Management. Welcome to Week 2. Our topic for this week is Information Storage and Retrieval. Thank you.
In our introductory class, we discussed 1. Data 2. Data processing 3. Information 4. Value of information 5. Computer and computer system 6. Computer networks. As an introduction to this week's topic, computers and data processing techniques have made possible the high-speed, selective retrieval of large amounts of information from various quarters. The term information storage and retrieval indicates the system used for organizing knowledge for subject retrieval. Information storage and retrieval, the systematic process of collecting and classifying data so that they can be located and displayed on request. Information retrieval is the process of recovering a specific piece of information from stored data. Information storage and retrieval is definitely not a new concept. It is an integral part of the communication process as a direct result of the desire of human beings to communicate with one another. Information has been recorded throughout the ages, and techniques and methods for storing and retrieving it have long been available.
There are several basic types of information storage and retrieval systems. Document retrieval systems store entire documents, which are usually retrieved by title or by keywords associated with the document. In some systems, the text of documents is stored as data. This permits full text searching, enabling retrieval on the basis of any words in the document. In others, a digitized image of the document is stored, usually on a write-once optical disk. Database systems store the information as a series of discrete records that are, in turn, divided into discrete fields. For example, name, address, and phone number. Records can be searched and retrieved on the basis of the content of the fields. For example, all people who have a particular telephone area code. The data are stored within the computer, either in main storage or auxiliary storage. For ready access, the storage of information, once only on the hard drives of computers, with large processing capacity, now takes place in a unique way, so that it is possible to access files, data, and applications anywhere and anytime, using either a computer or mobile devices, provided there is an internet connection, through storage in the so-called clouds. Information retrieval process. Any information storage and retrieval system will have a complex series of operations before documentary information can be used. 1. Information must be recorded in documents. 2. Each document must be stored with others in some accessible place, and its location known. 3. Characteristic aspects of each document profile, and this must be recorded with others in the same file. 4. The potential user must formulate some query, or express some interest in terms of characteristics recorded about documents. 5. This user profile must be compared with document profiles, and the locations of matching documents identified. 6. The documents must be located and presented to the user. The input may be a document, some data or information. The input process includes recording, subject analysis, and possibly some reorganization, especially in the case of data. The input processes generate the representations or surrogates to be stored in a database. What is retrieved will depend on the query. If the request is for some factual information, the procedure will begin from the database, move to the document store to find an appropriate document, and end with the delivery of the information requested. A second possibility is a request for one or two documents that will give information to help solve a problem on hand. There is still a third possibility that the request is for a list of references in an area of interest. In other words, the person who is making the request wants to know what information is available in that area. A researcher or student often makes this type of request. He or she would like to find out what work has been done and what has been published in the area of his or her research project. The immediate need is not a physical document. To satisfy this need, it is necessary to search the database. The output is retrieval information. Thank you. Till we meet in the next class, check the course page for any assignments.